You are all welcome to another tutorial. In our today's tutorial, I want to show you how to download climate data for your GIS analysis. For example, regression analysis in ArcGIS. Okay, so to download the climate data, I will come over to my browser. In this video, I am using Chrome. I will come over to my browser and type world climate data. Okay, after doing that, I will click on enter to launch into their site. Okay, so I will scroll down to world climate. I will click on it to open. It will take some time to load. Okay, when it open, this page will pop up. You see map, graphs, tables and data of global climate. I will click on download. Okay, so here is their official site. We have three types of climate data: historical climate data, and we also have historical monthly weather data and future climate data. Okay, historical climate data, those are data that we can use to trace back any climate impact in the past. Okay, so in this video I want to download historical monthly weather data. Okay, so I will scroll down. We have 2.10 minutes and 10 minutes, and we also have 25 minutes. So I want to download data for 2020 to 2024. Okay, I right click on it to download. Okay, you can see that the download is on the process. Okay, I have already downloaded the data. Okay, so I will post it. Okay, I will go back to my download to show you how the data look like. Okay, so here is my climate data. So guys, that is how to download climate data for your GIS analysis. Thank you very much for watching.